I'll definitely never be allowed to do that again. Thanks for watching Mabel's Guide to Home Pyrotechnics. See you next time. Today, Mabel's Guide to Fashion.
The sweaters. The attitude. The boys love it.
So wait, what do you want me to do?
Flip off your glasses.
Like this?
Oh, yeah.
Guess what? It's Mabel. Everyone wants to look as amazing as me, but most people don't have time for fashion in their busy day-to-day lives. That's why I've created FLASH MAKEOVERs!
Hey guys, what are you
Brenda, hold him down!
These pants are so tight. I can't move.
You can thank us later.
If you're watching this call for help, I'm down. Seuss is down.
I'm Stan, and I was wrong. I'm singing.
What's happening?
Beauty is happening!
Girls! I'd be pretty mad at you girls if I didn't look so fantastic.
Success! Take it to the streets, girls.
I'm taking your aftershave.
Okay, gals, we need a real challenge.
Old man McGucket, spitting in a bucket.
This one is a toughie.
Let's try something bold. Am I good or am I good, girls?
Absolutely stunning.
Now we cover up that problem area. Now you just have to walk backwards everywhere you go and bingo! You're fabulous.
That's the way my body naturally wants to move anyways. Yeah.
Join us next week when Mabel tells us what next season has in store.
Hat!
Oh,